Today's message is real simple, people. It's real straightforward. Thank God for your life. Give thanks for your life. You know what I mean? We're still living, you know. What have we done to deserve it? What have we done to earn it? What have we done to keep ourselves alive? What did you say? Oh, you drive safely. There's some people who've driven safely and they still got in a crash. Oh, what do you say? You eat healthy. Well, there's some people who eat healthy greens, vegetables, green tea, green sandwiches, and they still got sick. What did you say? You exercise. Oh, you're fit. You do workouts. Oh, you do workouts. Well, there's some people who still do workouts. They worked out. Oh, they worked out. But they still got a heart attack. Wait, how does that happen? Oh, you live in a safe area. Oh, wow. You live in oh, wow. That's a very nice area. No, nothing bad can happen there. Well, some people who live there, they still got burgled. It's not about what we can do, love. It's all about what God has done. Give thanks for your life, love. He's done well. He's done as well. All right. He's done as well. Have a great day. God bless you.